Transmission's good. Transmission's good.
Nice smoke. Just shut off on me.
Yeah.
Here, Bob.
So
I'm
you
gonna.
pay $250 for the engine and transmission.
Yeah.
Are you starting it?
Are you recording it?
Yeah, the record's on.
I'll stay back.
Go fly out or something?
I don't know what it's gonna do.
I was gonna try starting it since it shut off. Yep, it's done.
What?
Say gurgle, gurgle. Alright, you can stop recording.